How's it going, everyone? Welcome on in. Happy Tuesday. We're going to do something kind of interesting today that I'm kind of excited about, that I had a dream about last night. I woke up, I'm like, I need to do that. I need to do that. I did it. I tried it before stream started, and it worked. And now I'm going to share it with you guys. I'm going to share it. You're going to see it. It's pretty neat. We're going to have an AI agent spend money. I gave an AI agent an account. It has an account, and it's going to spend money. It's going to do it. We're going to have Claude spend money on our behalf. It's going to be pretty neat. All right, let me see if we got everything set up here. All right, let me click a... Hey, I'll Seek the Vault. Hey, how's it going? Welcome on in. Happy Tuesday. We're going to be doing something kind of interesting today. And it will be... I don't know if you've ever done this. Have you ever had an AI agent spend money? Have you? We're going to do that. We're going to do it. I'm pretty excited about it. I am very excited about it. And I was like, I have to do this. I have to. Because there's not very many people on the planet that have ever done this. We're going to do it today. We're going to do it today. This is pretty neat. Okay, so I need to click the share button here really quick. 1 second. Hey, Just Human. Welcome on in. Brosk, welcome on in. Hello, Stephen. Good to see you. You early today? You absolutely. Brosk, early today. We're going to be doing something pretty neat. We're going to have an AI agent spend money. I gave an AI agent, it gave it money. I gave it an account. It has its own account. Let me click the share button here really quick. All right, paste at everyone. Okay, now we are live. All right, it's pretty neat. We're going to have the AI agent spend money. Have you done this before? Have you? I don't think you have, because it sounds scary. Like, why would you give an AI agent money? I did. I did. And then after that, after we do that, so I've got that up and running here. After we do that, I'm going to build some more AI agents that will be able to earn money. Earners and spenders on both sides of the screen. What does the agent do, and how much have you given it for the task to spend? Good question. So let's find out. So let me see if I can show you guys. So I've given it, let me see here. So where I wonder, here, let me pull this off screen. So I don't know if it's gonna have anything in it that I can't show you guys. So 1 second. Let me see here really quick. Hey, Dreamer, welcome on in. Good to see you. Happy Tuesday. We're gonna have an AI agent spend money. We're gonna have it. We gave it money. We gave it some money. So let me see my profile. Let me see if I can find. Here we go. Billing. Okay. Where are you? Do I have a balance here? Does it show that I have a balance? Here you go. Okay. Here, I gave it. So it's not a lot, but I gave it $10. I already did this off stream just to test to make sure that it worked. I've spent it spent 8 cents. It spent 8 pennies. Hey, Clinker Plays, how's it going? We're good. We're doing good over here. Thank you for asking. We're gonna be going over if you coding in C, just my loops aren't. Here we go. Next song. Okay, is it going? All right, we're good. All right, I think AI agent's task will be on prompt tokens used, right? Prompt tokens. Oh, yeah, I did. That's a good point. The AI agent itself is incurring compute cost. This is a little different. I gave it money. I gave it money to spend on other things. So in addition to paying for the compute cost, we're going to be having the agent purchase things, or we'll buy things. In this case, we're going to have it like it. Yeah, you're right. It will be a token thing because we're going to have it call other agents that cost money. You guys want to see? You guys want to watch it? It's going to be pretty neat. Let's see. So yeah, so I gave it $10. Thank you for the hearts. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Okay. All right. Let's try it. Okay. So I have it in here. Create an image with higher quality images. Let's see. Let's have it spend. Let's see. Create let's do 3 images. Images with higher quality images. It's gonna go off. I tabbed the AI. It's doing it. I know, it's really neat. All right, so it's making decisions all on its own. Oh, wait. MPX skills, no. Oh, wait. Oh, it didn't work. What? No. Oh, on Blocks Network. It's gotta be on the Blocks Network because that's where the bank account is. Okay, there it goes. All right, there it goes. Hey, now it's working. Hey, look. For those of you who are early, it's asking me a question. Okay, be creative. It's gonna decide on its own. Hey, Zergio, welcome on in. Happy Tuesday. Good to have you here. I think give it a little harder, like animated or motion images. Ooh, are there any? So what we have to do is we have to go blocks.ai. We have to look at the network, and these are the current paid agents. Here, let's go here. Paid agents. So there are only 16 options. There are a few options here. Semantic search, remote GPU embed, 5090 Gemma 4. Ooh, City of London. We can do some there, yeah. This is what we give. This is the currently available options. Remote GPU smart. I don't know. And then higher quality images, which is what we're using right now. Hey, how's it going there, Tim Fang? Good to see you. Welcome on in. Real life fun fact for those. Oh, the Jurassic Park 3, the Spinosaurus. Hey, one person better. Thank you for following. Appreciate it. Good to have you here. Welcome on in. Mr. Bumpy Pickle. Hey, how's it going? Good to see you. Let's see. During the brutal fight sequence, the Spino landed on a final hydraulic blow that tore open the T-Rex's neck and knocked its head off. Okay, well, that's pretty violent. Pretty violent. Hey, Tim Peng, good to have you here. Well, I think you said my actual name for the first time. Zergio? Did I say it? Wait, how did I say it? Zergio. All right, right there. Do you use Opus 4.7? Here, /model. Where are we at? It's thinking. The answer is right here, I think. Where is it? Here we go. Right there. Opus 4.7 on Bedrock. Hey, Torvo, welcome on in. Good to see you. Happy Tuesday. Torvo, look at what we're doing. We're having the AI agent spend money. It's spending money. I gave it instructions. I said, go spend money. Go spend money and make 3 images. I do like plan mode. Jacob Crosby, yes, I like plan mode. Do you switch over to Sonnet for coding? Sometimes. Usually I do Opus because I'm very specific and direct about what I want it to do. And so it doesn't use very many tokens. It's a really good approach. Free use Gemma 4, 31 billion, paid Opus 4.7 on Point of View. Nice, that's a good way to do it. Yeah, see, I'm on 4.7. Okay, did it work? It worked, you guys. All 3 images generated successfully. It spent 6 pennies. Hey, Epic Blocksmo, good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Tuesday. Good to have you here. We just had an AI agent spend money. It's momentous. It is a moment of kind of excitement. I don't know if you've ever done this. I just gave an AI agent $10. And I said, go spend some of it. Go spend more. Go spend more money and make a few more images. Be creative. There it goes. I just gave it permission to go spend money. It's doing it right now. You don't believe me, but I'm going to show you. The prompt adjustable higher quality images for different screens of different devices. So it's not that basic. Oh, Brosk. Let's see here 1 second. Let me see what. I think you gave it a little harder one, like animated. Oh, right. Okay. I saw a video about the Grok sent 200K. Ooh, okay. Well, we're not quite at that level. For me, it's momentous because I was just thinking about it. I'm like, I've got an idea. I want to have the AI agent spend money. Calling the Blocks network 5 times. Ooh, it's gonna do a few more images. Okay, so what is 5 times 2? So that's 10 pennies. It just went off and spent 10 pennies. Are you using some kind of enterprise product with Anthropic? Yes. Yes, I am. This is just Claude Code. And I gave it a wallet, a $10 wallet, to go and spend money and do specific tasks. In this case, this is the current tasks that are available to us. There's only 16 possible options with tasks that cost money. So there's a sketch, there's some WikiStream analytics, there's a OpenClaw agent. All right, that's pretty neat. And then the higher quality images one, which I'm using right now. Because if someone asked him in English, he says no, but in binary. Wait, really? In binary. Wait, what's binary? Wait, is it binary or binary? So yeah, this is Claude Code on Bedrock. So technically it's kind of enterprisey. Although it's just Claude Code, it could be fine. You could use it however you want. You could. You got your wisdom teeth removed today? Oh, it turns out you have a resistance to the numbing agent. You ended up receiving twice the normal dose. How could they tell? How could they tell that you had a resistance? Could you just tell them like it hurts? Give me more? Is that what it was? I hope it didn't hurt too bad. Hope you're okay. Here it goes. It's working. All right. So let's go see what it did. Let's go look at our tasks. There it goes. Hey, look, you can see it's spending money. You can see it right here. Isn't that neat? Oh, I think that's great. I'm really excited about this. You created a mini tool who count prompt token, give you the mini tool. So to count you forgot where to store it, but it was accurate, you must say. So it accurately counted the tokens that it was using. Nice, Dreamer. Nice. This is actually normal for female, those who with pale skin. This is actually normal for female and those with pale skin. Michael, wait, what? It's very normal for people with red hair. Wait, what is? I missed something. I'm out of context. I'm too excited because right now I'm just having an AI spend money. It's spending money right now. It's doing it. I just gave it instructions. See, check this out. Here we go. I said, where was it? Spend more money. Oh wait, it didn't show. Here, basically I said, go spend more money. Here, and make a few more images. Be creative. Double the dose. Oh, got it, for Torva. Okay, for Torva. You received the normal dose and still felt a bit hurting. Okay, got it. Felt a bit, but not hurting, just feeling it. Okay, so, got it. So they gave you more because you wanted to make sure that you feel no pain. No pain. If AI knows at least one thing, it's spending money. Yeah, it's pretty good at that. It's pretty good. Here we go. We spent the money. Right now, as you can see, right here, the date showing up. It's spending money, you guys. Let's see what it created. Let's see what costs money here. What is the advantage of AI spending money? I don't know yet. It's just neat. I have no idea why it chose to make this image and spend 2 pennies, but it did. I have no idea. But I just think it's neat. Isn't it neat? It's so neat. It feels like, milestone. It's a milestone for me. It's a milestone. You get, let's see, because I ain't none of those. Wait, you gotta study? You gotta study. It's just neat. It's just so satisfying. No study, just the family member who is a dentist. It's exactly. I'm a dentist. I'll remove your teeth for you. Oh, you want Novocaine? You want pain reliever? You want the numbing agents? I don't know about that, but I can remove your teeth. Okay. Here's another one. Here's another image. The AI is just making its own, Claude Code is deciding, right? The AI agent is making purchases from other agents. So here, let's draw this. Let's draw this really quick. Okay. So we've got an AI agent here. This is AI agent. We'll say it's Claude. And then we've got another agent over here, which is agent, make image agent. I said image twice and I said agent. So a correlation, but no causality. Let's see here. I want this agent has a wallet. Wait. We need to give it money. I gave it $10 USD. It's got a balance. I said, go spend money. Go spend money. AI agent, $10, spend money, make an image. Then it responded with the image. It made the image right here. We got a pretty image right here. Pretty tree, like a tree or something, right? Tree, or I say image. That cost money 0.02 per image, and it created, and it did. It's momentous. It's momentous. Hey, Loons, good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Tuesday. Is it okay if I upload my projects to Discord now and then to hear opinions? Yeah, absolutely, Mr. Bumpy Pickle. 100%. What are we doing today? Loons, you want to see? We gave an AI agent $10 and we had it spend some of it to talk to another AI agent, and it made an image. It's really neat. I'm going to do it again. We'll do it again. We'll do it again. AI agents are just prompts. Yeah, they are. They're just prompts. So there's no like real intelligence there. I know there's not. Don't worry. It's just still neat. It's still neat, right? Isn't that great? Thank you. You're welcome. Share. Yep, no problem. That's why we have GitHub Ideas. Yep, there's a GitHub Ideas channel. Exactly. Hashtag GitHub Ideas channel on Discord is a great place. Great place. Or link share, that works too. Actually, Torvo, there are apparently several studies, and they have traced it to a gene, MC1R gene. Oh. That's so neat. We did it, you guys. We did it. The engineer. You got it. You got it, Epic Bloxpo. Exactly. Let's do another. Wait, there was a jungle reclaim amusement park. I kind of want that one. Is this one here? All right, I want to see that real quick. Let's go back to our tasks. And then there should be a task around here. Let's go here. This one right here. Let's see what that one looked like. What do you mean there's no intelligence? It doesn't have consciousness. Ooh. While we look at this pretty image that we just had the AI spend money from because we gave it a $10 bank account, I'll describe to you no intelligence. So here, we'll draw a little bit. All right, so AI agent has LLM. LLM has a bunch of numbers, a bunch of coefficients, right? A whole bunch of numbers, right? That's what these AI large language models look like. It's just a bunch of numbers, coefficients, a whole bunch of numbers, which maybe your brain is a bunch of numbers. I don't know. The only thing is, when it runs on a feed forward and it gets us output, there's no memory. There's nothing changed. It's like this permanent, frozen, fixed. Like it's like a lock. It can't think. There's no thinking parts. It doesn't know. There's no like consciousness because it's just a frozen machine in the most part. This doesn't change. Like your brain, if this was your brain right here, your numbers would be flickering all over the place. That doesn't happen here. That doesn't happen. So you give it input, right? You give it some input. You give it like, it's like a vector, right? So you give it like you do 1, 3, 5, 4, like a bunch of numbers in a vector. And then you convert that and you normalize it, right? So you got to vectorize it. Or it's already vectors, but you normalize it. Pile that over here. This turns into floats, 0.1, 0.3, 0.5, right? So on, 0.6. So it turns it into a bunch of floats and like that. So now it's normalized. And then you do feed forward. This is AI models, right? I'm simplifying it. There's a bunch of activations, there's attention, there's a whole bunch of other things in there. Then it passes through matrix multiplication style and gets you an output. And there's a few other layers in here and things like that. Let's see here. So you see some more layers here, another layer here, and then you get a final output, which turns out to be a number selection of 10,000, usually about 10,000. index positions of more numbers, right? We got more numbers. 0 0.4, 0 0.1, 0 0.9, something like that. And then it continues down from here, right? Whole bunch of numbers. You do an argmax on this, and it tells you that the largest number is 9, which basically is the next word, right? And that next word is going to be like the word cat or something, right? And so this index 0, 1, 2, 3 represents cat, for example. There's no thinking involved in this process. there's no thought here. It's just a machine. It doesn't think, hey, one person better. I waited 10 minutes to be able to write. Hey. All right. If I understand correctly, you were looking at a local AI models 10 minutes ago. Yes, we were. We were. All right. So I just walked you guys through really quick why they don't think. There's no intelligence. Hey, how's it going there? David Campos. Campos. How's it going? Hey, man, what image model are you using and what LLM are you using? I actually don't know. The LLM I'm using here, so I do have some answers. So I'm using Claude. So this is Claude right here with Opus. You can see here Opus on Bedrock. That's the current version. That's the AI agent that I'm using to call other agents. So here's my Claude. I gave it $10 and I asked it to make some images. I don't know. This is opaque here. This is opaque. I don't know what's inside this agent. It's just an agent on the network and it costs 2 cents per image. And it made some images. It did right here. And here's the pennies. It cost 2 cents. You can see right here. It cost 2 pennies, you guys. Yeah, let's see whether we can make something that compares the agent results with a small local LLM that does the prompt and Claude with the budget of the agent usage cost. So we can see some efficiency. Yeah, we can analyze it. We could analyze it. Current is some electricity issue, so we leave. If issue solved, then I'll rejoin. All right, sounds good, Dreamer. You probably posted that a little while ago. You tried a few models a couple of days ago, the ones in 7 to 35 billion range, but they're rubbish. Ah, yeah. The Gemma 4 is pretty good. If you try that one, Michael, what's field programmable gate array? Wait, why are you asking that all of a sudden? Why are you asking about FPGA's field programmable gate array? It's kind of like it's a microprocessor that is, what is it? You can it's fast. It can be really fast. It's like a GPU. It's a purposely built. It's a intention built CPU. You can bake in specific instruction paths. It's kind of like a hard-coded. Let me see here. Hey, did you see that foundation companies are now training in AI responses? I didn't. Wait, specifically on media outlets. Oh, really? I didn't know about that. I'd like to learn more. I thought that parameters were its knowledge. It is. It's the knowledge. There's knowledge there. There's no thinking. They're separate things. How many billion parameters are there? I think, well, you can go like 4 to 31 billion, something like that. Yes, so Zergio, you're right. The knowledge, this is the knowledge in these parameters. Where is that at here? Knowledge in the parameters here. That's the knowledge. However, the thinking, you can kind of say the thinking is when you're putting data through it. However, it doesn't remember anything after that. So it's frozen in time, right? It's frozen in time. It can't think. Thanks, David Campos. All right, that's great to hear it. What did I miss? I'm too late. Hey, how's it going there? Asos. How's it going? You can't run. You have a 10 gigabyte VRAM. Oh, the small 4B should fit. I think only 2 GB needed. Okay. Can you prompt it to create a deck of images similar to Pokemon cards or playing? Yes, let's try it. All right, Brosk, let's try it. We'll do it. Here we go. All right, I'll get it started. All right, spend more money on Blocks Network and do this. Here, we'll prompt. Let's see, blah, blah, blah. Create a deck of images similar to Pokemon cards. Make an agent to make a playable, clickable multiplayer game. All right, sure. All right, well, we'll click that. We'll press that button. We'll do it. All right, we did it. Brox, there you go. I can make an image for half that, for half 2 pennies. Could you? Profolk, you got to go, Loons. All right, sounds good. Rip, Loons, I'm coming back soon on 1 hour. All right, I might be gone in 1 hour because I have a meeting. However, we'll see. For example, if you ask... Wait, let's see here. 0. Hey, Drawing Brothers! How's it going? It's been a little while. Good to have you here. For example, if you ask it to have something that happened earlier in the day, it will not have any info of it. Exactly, Michael. Exactly. Exactly. You know it. That's exactly it. It has no memory. Now, you could say, well, you could store the context and then give it back to the model. Like, sure, you could, and it could run through the weights again. It still doesn't know what's going on. It still doesn't really know what's going on. It's working away. Here we go. Generating a 12 deck creature card. This is momentous. Oh, isn't this cool? I really like that. Use PubNub instead of socket.io. And demo API keys. There we go. DeepSeek R114B, Quantize 6 and 8 versions of GPT OSS 20 billion codecs. Okay, wait, you're saying Sonnet 3.5? Wait, GPT-5 Mini, try just Claude work good. Yeah, Claude doesn't work really well. Yes, Claude is the best. It is. You're right. How's it going there, Ghost? Good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Tuesday. I know what you see on the screen is a little bit of agentic coding, right? We usually write code by hand live on the stream. Right now, though, we're doing something a little different. We gave our AI $10. We said, go spend it. Go spend it using the Blocks network, so it's going to communicate. And it's made some images on the Blocks network right here. It spends about 2 cents per image. Ghost, yeah, okay. Nice. I'm so impressed with the GLSL. I'm learning it now. It's so fascinating what we can do with mathematics. Oh, what is GSL? What is that? GLSL. What is that? Oh, OpenGL. Are you saying OpenGL shader language? Is that what that is? Oh, it must be. Oh, interesting. I've used OpenGL many years ago, more than 20 years ago now. It was pretty straightforward to draw like triangles. I didn't use any shaders though. That was before shaders. I was alive before shaders were a thing. My system's a 98 by 3D, 64 gig, 6.4 gigahertz. Oh, RTX 3080, just Claude 3.5 Sonnet working good. Okay, good setup. Nice. All right. It's gonna be working for a while here. It's gonna work for a little while. Wait, let's see where it's at. We can see some progress on this. So let's go to our tasks. Let's see where we are. Yep, it's working through them right now. Do you know OpenGL well? I know of OpenGL. I built multiple games. Not really. They weren't really games. They were not really games. Ooh. Okay, there we go. They weren't really games. They were kind of interactive 3D experiences. There you couldn't. But yeah, I used OpenGL. I remember the face culling, the primitives, because I was doing this in C. The globals, the sort of the enums. There were quite a few things. And yeah, it was pretty easy. The camera, getting the camera to work, that was pretty tough because you have to get the camera to go out far enough to view and rasterize actual like pictures of squares and things like that. Which one? Which is a good setup? Your system. Your system setup. Okay. Steven got a haircut. Hey, I did. Kevin McAllister, how's it going? Good to see you. Happy Tuesday. We are doing something pretty momentous right now. We're using an AI agent. We gave it $10 to spend money accessing other agents. Good to see you too. Nice. That's awesome. That's really great. This is pretty neat. We're doing something momentous right now. It's doing something momentous. Let's see what one of the images looks like. Maybe we should be able to see one. Let's see one of the cards. Let's see here. It's loading up. It's loading up. Pee Wee Herman. That's kind of a Pokemon. Hey, look at that. Kind of a Pokemon. Right there. Brosk. Pee Wee Herman. How's it going there, Trevor Brown? Trevor Brown, how's it going? Thank you for the heart, you guys. Oh, cool. It can deploy its own agents. Uh-huh. That's what's exactly happening right now. So it's doing agent and that. It spent 2 pennies. It spent 2 pennies. There are several packages in the model pack you mentioned. Which one should I choose? There are several packages in the model pack you mentioned. Which one should I choose? Well, I mean, if you could choose Claude. Cool, man. Hey, it's working. It's working. It's gonna do what we asked it to do. It's doing the work. Oh, cool. It can deploy its own agents. Yes. Choose the. How's it going there, Louis? Oh wait, how do you say your name? Louis 100. Good to have you here. Happy Tuesday. Would you look at the source that has OpenGL but only runs on Windows, but I need it to run on Linux? Small game from 2000. Whoa, 2000. Whoa. What game is it? Cool what you do. Hey, Trevor Brown, thank you. Appreciate it. This is neat. It's really neat. So I just wanted to try this out. I was thinking about this. I woke up last night and I'm like, oh, what if we gave the AI agent $10? I know it's not a lot. We should like give it $10 and have it go spend it. That's what I wanted it to do. Did you change your setup? Did I? A little bit, yeah. A little bit. Terminal reality game. Ooh, that sounds great. So, you know what? We could, feel free to post it and share it. Model pack. Not sure. Have only really used Gemma 4 and Plop. Okay. This is so great, you guys. This is great. Okay. This is probably going to take a little while. While that's running, let's look at our other things that we wanted to do today. Let's look at a few other things we wanted to do today. Let's see here. All right, Vi to do. It can't make it public. Oh, you can't make it public. Oh, really? Oh no, why not? That sounds like something that would be really fun to make public. Isn't that? What's the point of a game that nobody can play? That's so sad. Snot, that's so sad. You would make a game that nobody could play? Our own betting model. We did. So we used. I want to do this one really bad. This is the one I really want to do. This is going to make me really happy. If we do this one right here, I would really like that. Can't make the source public. Oh, well, can you can make the, what do you want to, well, what do you want to do? Like, what's your goal? Like, what are you trying to achieve? I guess if you have this, where's the source at, I guess. Also, I wouldn't really be able to help too much. I know who could though. Their name is Claude Code. They could help you real easy. Oh wait, did I? Yes, okay. That's what I heard. Okay.
Input.
Get it running in Linux. That sounds like a good. Let's see here. Keeping app data separate makes it easier to manage. There's this weird message that popped up on my screen. 1 second. I'd like to access data from other apps. Keeping app data separate makes it easier to manage your privacy and security. I don't know what to do. Or DeepSeek. Hey, Kevin McAllister, exactly. An AI agent using a large language model will be able to achieve your objective. It will. Okay. I'm just going to say don't allow for now. All right. So while that's working, while we have our AI agent working and spending money. wait. I want, before we jump into some code, let's take a look here. I want to see what another one of the Pokemon cards look like. Okay, here we go. Here's another one. It's loading up.
Input.
Oh, that's a pretty good one. That's pretty good. Wait, let's look at another one. Let's look at this one here. Is it done? Is it done? No, it's needing more. Okay. All right, that one's not, I mean, that's kind of, it's great. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. I don't know if I would call it like a Pokemon. I mean, we could though. It might be. You should try to make the image models use GP2 image 2. Ah, that would be especially good. It would just be especially good. Especially good. Let's look at number 4. Is this one we've seen before? Let's find out. It's loading, you guys. Oh, that's a good one. That's Pokemon adjacent. It's Pokemon adjacent. All right. While that's working away.
Input.
Oh wait, there's another. It's always asking for permissions. Do you guys ever read the permissions that it asks you? I sometimes do. Sometimes I don't though. Okay. Unknown command task for blocks. Okay. It'll figure it out. Or Grok, you could use Grok, but you can't really use the output with that one. Wait. Why not? Hey, Torva, why not? That should be okay, right? I feel like that should be okay. I feel like there's something that should be okay. All right, so let's get our embedding model up and running. It's been a while since we've done that. Let's see if we can figure out where that's at. We have another window here. Okay. So this will be our embedding model, which will get this running locally. I believe it's under here, desktop. LOL, I guess he doesn't like my question. Oh wait, Michael, which one? Here, let me see 1 second. Are you talking to me? Hold on. Go to channel activity. See what you said here. Did I miss it? Here, almost 0 zoom.
Input.
Okay. Michael, you said, for example, if you ask something that happened earlier in the day, it will not have that info. Yeah, I remember you saying that. That was when we were talking about the large language models. They don't have any memory. Only the information that you provide to it on input, it will be able to predict the next word. And then it forgets everything after that. I'm pretty sure though, that's not what you're talking about. I'm pretty sure. I'm very confident in that. I think your message just didn't appear. Hey, the KBC, welcome on in. Good to have you here. Happy Tuesday. We are building something neat that I thought was really exciting. I'm going to show you again. I'm going to show you again. So this is our Claude. Hey, the KBC. Yeah, exactly. Python. You got it. We got our Pythons there. We got snakies. Sneaky snakes. Well, Grok, extremely bad coding. Like you could go to a high school and people that don't know coding can do stuff on the same level, except their code would actually work. Oh, okay. I see what you're saying. So Grok, not that good at coding. Not that good at coding.
Input.
Yeah, KBC, what we did was we gave an AI agent $10 and we had it go out and access other AI agents and it spent money. It's momentous. It's a new thing. It's great. Wait, what did I just do? Oh.
Input.
No. No. Video generation models trained you on with your live stream. Yeah, they are, and they are allowed to. I turned on CC for all videos. So, Creative Commons. All my media is free and reshareable, and AIs can learn from it. Learn from the videos. Yep. Grok is good at brainstorming and helped me build algorithms for your custom heliostat machine. Ooh, what's a heliostat? I feel like since I know how to pronounce that word, heliostat machine. What is this? Heliostat tracking mechanism that utilizes systems of mirrors to continuously reflect sunlight onto a specific fixed target. Oh, By compensating for the Earth's rotation, the machine ensures that the solar arrays are consistently focused in a single direction. Is that what you're building? That's pretty neat. Whoa, I think it's neat. Just asked again. It didn't show up. It's not showing up. I don't see it. It's not there. Wait, I guess he doesn't. Yeah, it's not showing up. Michael, what's going on? Send it in Discord. I think YouTube is like saying nope. It's saying nope for you. They're like nope. Hey dude, what's up? How's it going there, Rishu? Good to see you, Rishu Kumar. Welcome on in. Happy Tuesday. We're doing something momentous today. We did something momentous. All right. Whoops. I didn't mean to ls in that here. CD empty. Empty, please. Yes, empty. Thank you. Okay. Card battle. Public. Cards. The cards are empty. All right. Interesting. You built this one? Grok has been useful generating code. Asks for in C++. Okay.
Input.
Download. Is that going to work? No. Download MJS. All right. Source evaluate arguments. I'm gonna stop this. I don't know what it's doing. I'm concerned. I'm concerned about what it's doing now. It's starting to ask for permissions to my home directory, and no, I don't want that. It's not gonna work. Oh, Drawing Brothers, you have an idea, like creating a desktop mascot. You're going to use Gemma 4. Look at all the after this seminar. Oh, semester. Okay. Yeah. How it will work is a mascot interacts with the user. We use speech recognition and then pass it. Oh, that is kind of nice. So it's like your buddy on a desktop, like an animated avatar, and you can talk to it and it responds back. Hey, Redless Saber, what's going on? Good to have you here. Happy Tuesday. Thank you for clicking the hi button. Look for a Sone heliostat. Okay, let's take a look at this. You said a Sone heliostat. Grok help you improve your existing algorithm with vector calculus. Nice. I had to refresh my engineering math for cross-verifying what Grok was suggesting. All right, what is this? A Sone heliostat is an advanced portable sun tracking device. Oh, so does that mean it's portable? You can bring it with you? Weighs about 3 kg. Well, I don't know if that's very portable. I mean, 3 kg maybe it is. Yeah, DIY friendly, automatically rotates the beam daylight into the rooms, whether placed on a balcony, terrace, or near a window. All right, it worked. Pin the first link right here. Here we go. Asone harness the sun. Oh, right there. Okay. Got it. Okay, got it. So you can use the sunlight to bring in more light. You can also use that sunlight to do other things, I am assuming. A little bit more. You could do a little bit more. That is pretty neat. I mean, I don't know if I want something like that outside my window, but yeah, exactly, you got it right. Nice. That is awesome. That's pretty fancy. That is some pretty fancy there. Okay. Okay. So what I want to do next, you guys, is I'm going to open up my embedding here. See, desktop, PyTorch embedding. And we're going to start messing around with this. So, Python model. Let's double check that this works. Because it's been a while. It's been a little while. Okay, it still works. It still works. So maybe what's going to be easier is if I just open up a new window and I just make that the new spot for it. Right there. There we go. Okay. CD, desktop, PyTorch, embedding model, tmux. I did the embedded coding of the machine in C++. Nice. That is why my C++ is my first love. It's good one. I like C++. I think it's good. There was a version of this. It's a satellite that you can order sunlight whenever you want. Whoa. Hey, I want that. Kevin McAllister, I want to be able to shoot sunlight on different, like from a satellite. Because then you could like, if it's dark out and you want to take a walk around the park, you can order some sunlight. That sounds great. I want that. I'll pay for that. Wait, the shading isn't right, isn't it? See ya. All right, Drawing Brothers, good to see ya. Good to have you here. All right, so by model dot pi. Okay, so let's mess around with this. Let's train it. Let's get some training data. You wrote a servo hack library for C++, customizing the function of the servo motors so I can make machines more robotic. Like, what do you mean more robotic? I'm kind of curious. Because typically, when you say more robotic, that sounds like someone might want to be optimizing a machine to make it look more human, right? So it has more human-like motions, or has like maybe a sort of appears to have a personality. Or you can go the opposite direction and make it look mechanical. It has no emotions, no personality. Which one? Which one of those? All right, so we've got our model here. Let's see if we've loaded it already, and we've printed out the output. Oh, we never even finished it. So output samples, shape plotter, unsqueeze. Wait, hold on. Print out.shape. Okay, let's open up a new window. Okay, Python model. Here we go. All right, so we only got one. Is that because we only passed in one? Okay. So I would like to do a for loop on this or something like this. For sample and samples. And then we'll do this here. See, I don't need to print the out anymore. I just need the output. We just say sample. And we plot the output. Perfect. Here we go. Let's try that. So this will give us, hey, look at that right there. Isn't that neat? All right, I like that. So we can see how similar the words are. Stephen LB, can you do the robot dance move? Oh, Zergio. I might be able to if I practiced it. What operating system do you use? Uname, here you go, Darwin. I don't know if you can see that on your screen. I'll try to make it a little bit easier to see if that doesn't show up. So here we go. Split the window here. Uname is Darwin. There you go. There's the operating system. Which one do you like the most? So this is Mac, right? This is Mac operating system. I really like that one. Linux is also great. I like CentOS. I'm a CentOS fan. I also like Alpine. I think Alpine's pretty great. Yes, exactly. The second one that you said, no emotions. Oh, just working as it's intended. Nice. Okay. That is a sexy output. Isn't it great? It's great output. It's fantastic. Steven, what happened to the gradients? Oh, this is it right here. We deployed it to the app. We deployed it to PyPy. So PyPy, we do, wait, let's go PyPy.org and look for heater plot. There you go. This is it right here. It's on, yeah, I'll put it on Discord. Here we go, link share. There we go. It's live. You can use it right now. And we added a bunch of different colors. Isn't that neat? The ordering the sunlight thing is actually called Reflect Orbital. They have a website, but not sure if it's currently working though. I would order sunlight. If you got it, I would press the order button right now. I would, if you guys figure it out. What do you think about Windows? Windows is fine, David can't. It's David. David is fine. It's fine. You can play Steam games on it, right? You play a lot of games on Windows. I have an Xbox. I don't have a Windows computer though. Well, amazing picture. It's pretty neat, right? That's your terminal window output right there. So you can see it here in the terminal window here. Right there. And it's the one right there. Windows is fine. Use the operating system that you really like, because you can even use Linux on Windows through Windows Subsystem for Linux, right? WSL. That allows you to run Linux systems inside of Windows. Moonlight is cool too. Moonlight is pretty cool. It is. I like Moonlight. If I could order Sunlight, though, I would order Sunlight. It probably won't make its way through clouds, right? So if it's overcast, it wouldn't make its way through, right? It wouldn't make its way through. All right. So here's the output. This is the goal. This is what I want to achieve right there. I wanted to see what the output would look like. And that is an output that's going to predict the next token. So you can see that it's predicting specific tokens here to predict the next word, right? Because it's a word predictor. It's a small language model. Windows is only good for games. Hey, it's not exactly right. Only good for games. It's great for games. Great for games. Although Linux, if the game works on Linux, I heard it was faster. Linux is faster. Remember, too much of anything is a harmful. All right, even if it's sunlight. Oh, that's a good point. The KBC. Well, what if I only wanted to bring it in for 20 minutes? Right? Just 20 minutes. I want to illuminate the park for 20 minutes. Can you show the progress on the Pokédex game? Sure, Brosk. All right. I had to stop it because it was starting to be weird and it was asking for directory permissions. Here we go. So here it is. npm install. All right, let me do Claude. Let's get into it here. Actually, wait. Hold on. ls cd. No, it's actually here. All right, perfect. Okay, Claude. All right. Let's see. Is the game complete? Is the game complete? Will it work? Can you, I have used Windows for my 3D CAD modeling and a few other things. Yes, Windows was great for productivity as well. It can be, right? So you got, your Photoshops, your video editors, your CAD, your 3D studios. You have card asset downloader. You have a card asset downloader scaffold, but the cards haven't been fetched. All right, fetch cards, download. We make an AI agent protocol. We'll talk about it soon on your live. Hey, Clinker Plays, that sounds great. Talk about it soon in your live. All right. We'll talk about it soon. Sounds good to me. Otherwise, I'm pretty much comfortable with Linux. Hey, the KVC, that's great to hear. It took me a few years, though. It does. It takes a little while to get used to Linux. Because Windows is what game devs make games for. They sure do. They make a lot of games for Windows. Use Windows 2 mostly because of games. If Linux is supported most Windows games natively, I would switch to Linux as soon as possible. All 12 cards have been downloaded? The game itself still hasn't been built. Yes. All right. See here, let's do open card battle. Look in here. Cards. Here we go. We got the cards, you guys. Here we go. Here are the cards. These are pretty nice. All right, check it out. All right, so we got 12 cards. I like how there's like a little bit of copyright there, maybe. A little bit of copyright theft. Just a smidge, not a full blown, right? It's a recreation. A little bit of copyright theft. Sent my message in Discord. Michael, oh, thank you. All right, so we'll check it out in Discord here. In Windows, work most of my Linux operating system time goes into troubleshooting. And in Mac, it just works. No troubleshooting at all, right? I know! It's one of the great things about Mac, because it's a Unix-based system, so you still get everything that you want. Player, we'll do player versus CPU. Okay. What about double boot? The dual boot, seek the vault. I used to do that. I used to do dual boot. 20 years ago, I did dual boot. Windows and Linux. And I would do all my engineering in Linux, and Windows would be for games. And what else do you use Windows for? Games and Photoshop. Mac, Windows, Linux for an individual productivity troubleshooting ratio. Yes. Mac first, Windows, and then Linux. You got it. Don't you think it is still struggling to integrate things to build a simple web app?
Input.
I think it's doing pretty good. I think it's doing pretty good. I mean, it's doing a lot more than it used to, and it keeps getting better. It keeps getting better. Okay, while that's working, we're going to switch over to our code here. Interesting. Interesting. Okay. And I want to do embedding. So I need inference mode. When it's in inference mode. So how do we do this? Torch dot inference mode. Right? I think it's torch dot inference mode. Dual boot is not very practical right now. You have a 12-year-old laptop with Linux and a refurbished Chrome box for Windows. You control both with a single mouse. Oh, this KVM! I used KVM before, mostly for data centers. I haven't used any KVM for local home stuff. Okay, here. Let's close this. See, close this. Close, please. Thank you. Okay. All right. I want to get the actual embedding, which is going to be just the first layer here. So when we do a feed forward, we get the tokenizer, we throw it through the embedding, and then I only want the out. So if training mode, return out. That's what we need to do here. This is what we got to do. All right. PyTorch training mode if statement. Let's see here. If self.training. Here we go. If self.training. If not. There we go. So that should give us a little bit better output. Let's see here. Python model. Barrier, KVM open source free, discontinued for a few years ago. Still works fine, yeah. Allows me to copy and paste and use different operating systems like they're the same. So you get to keep your clipboard buffer between them. That's pretty nice. You've used it for 4 months, 2 for Linux and 2 for Windows. The KVC. Very nice, very nice. Python model. Let's see here, Python. Hey, there we go. That's what I wanted right there. All right, perfect. Perfect. This is fantastic. Although, is it not training mode though? Is what I'm wondering. Hold on. I don't think we put it in training mode. I'm like, it works perfectly. Oh wait, just kidding. Eval. Here we go. Eval. Model.eval. Okay. Model.eval. All right, please work, please work, please work. Okay. A tensor with 64 elements can be converted to a scalar. So I need to see what the output of that is. Maybe we can just throw it through a linear, maybe the embedding isn't quite what I thought it was gonna be. Here we go. Let's do print output and shape. Shape break. Here we go. Rerun it. Okay. I know what we gotta do. We gotta merge that. We gotta merge that into a single vector. It's gotta be one vector, you guys. All right, where is that at? Here, model, let's return out. We gotta do dot mean dim equals 0. Let's see. Let's try that real quick. Yep, right there. I think that looks right. Let me double check. So is that average? That looks weird. That looks weird to me. Is that correct? How about dim? Let's try 1. See if that looks better. No, that's not. Yeah, that don't. It's got to be 0. It's got to be 0. Okay. And maybe we don't do mean. Well, this is the average though. It is the average. That's what mean is. Is that what I really want? Is that what I exactly want? I'm not sure. Let's see here. Let me not break anymore. Here we go. Let's do that. 64. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe. You might need to increase the font size. Oh wait, are you doing? Can you read this? Okay, I can zoom in a bit. There you go. There's a little bit zoomed in for you there. Hey David, every time you use the Mac, you get frustrated. Actions require authorization or Apple's approval. This is not ideal for viruses. Of course, right? Not ideal for viruses, but it gives us users more authority and flexibility. I do like Mac. Even though it does have a lot of security, it's like zero trust, right? Everything, don't trust anything. Trust nothing, you guys. What do you find crazy is that Windows has not implemented something like a Samsung, where they have a built-in clipboard for stuff you copied, like being able to do a string plus C plus 1 and a string 1 plus V plus 1 and so on. Wait, what is that? At Torva. That is, I don't even know what that is. What is that? It's a gigantic missed opportunity. David, is it? Be something very nice. Oh, wait, Clinker Place. Oh, the next frontier of AI research, in my opinion, is going to be able to run GPT-5 or alike models on low-end systems. There we go. Now imagine that these systems can run at light speed, like 1,000, 10,000, 100 times 1,000 faster. And they can just boost, and they are high quality, and they can just blaze through everything. Just imagine how amazing that's going to be. It's going to happen in our lifetime. Well, I mean, it's right around the corner, right? We're talking like maybe half a decade. Got a dip soon. Any chance you can take a look at the Discord General? Yes, Michael, thank you for reminding me. I completely forgot. All right. Where is it? You said general chat here? Is this it here? All right. I'm working on a few agent projects. Would recommend building them in a Kubernetes container for each agent and deploying them on Blocks.ai. Yes. Yes, exactly. That would be great. Could you go into the best practice for scaling? For example, if we deploy via Blocks.ai, how would you manage bottlenecking or just users using hardware? So you can right now, it's really easy to spin up multiple copies. So when you do a publish, so when you do a Blocks publish, where is that at here? Let me see here. Here, Ember. Blocks publish. This is going to, wait, is this going to be the right one? No, it's on Blocks by agent card. Here we go. Here we go. It's in the agent card, I believe. Let me see if where's that at. Here we go. Concurrency and expected instances. So if you're going to do this in Kubernetes, Michael, you want to say the number of instances that you're going to have. If you want to auto scale and you want to increase this, you want to make sure that your agents increase this right here and then republish. Hey, Python. Yep, exactly. The KBC, we got some Python going on. Windows does have multi-clipboard copy option with history of clipboards. I forgot about that. That's been so long. Let me see a screenshot in Discord. Sounds good. He means having a multi-clipboard, maybe copy multiple things, and then you can selectively paste which one you want. Oh, Torva. All right, that makes sense. That makes sense. Okay. Oh, is this something I always wondered? How do you get subtitles? Hey, David, yes. All right, the subtitles here. Your subtitles are accurate, almost instant. Always wondered how you did it. Absolutely. Yeah, so we've got our OBS here. And we've got the open source project that I made 8 years ago called Subtitles for YouTube and Twitch. This is it right here. And you just follow the install instructions and you can do single word like this. Right like that. It's so easy. It's open source and free. Okay. So let's go back over here. Oh, yeah. Okay. So you've got multiple clipboard, like a clipboard history. And when you want to go and paste, you can select which clipboard item you want. Very nice. Very nice. Blocks.ai, how would you manage bottlenecking? Right. Could you go into best practices for scaling? For example, if we deploy Blocks.ai, how would you manage bottlenecking? Right. So the idea is you're going to set more instances and then increase your concurrency. So you're going to have 10 copies of your agent running. And that's all you have to do. You just have to have 10 agents running, and it will round robin. It'll load balance to least utilized agent. This is in your agent card right here. Your agent card, which is part of the file. It's right there. It's really easy. It's really easy. And then you just run blocks publish again. The caption, you guys, the captions. So it's pretty straightforward. We've made it really easy. We made it really easy. If you wanted to have 100, you just say 100 like that. And then you save it and you say blocks publish. And boom, now it's got 100. Well, it is able to accept 100. Always make sure that your agent card, when you publish it, matches what you're actually looking for, so that way it can best do the work. Can two AI train each other? Yes. And improve each other's ideas? Yes. It's happening right now, like a brainstorming session, similar to what we humans do. It is. It's called self-improvement loop. This is the self-improvement loop. This is where the AI becomes, essentially artificially general. Right at that point, artificial general intelligence, AGI, is at the point where we make the AI as good as we can as a human, and then we have the AI improve itself. At that point, it can go into an improvement loop, continue to improve itself over and over and over, and then it gets better and better and a little bit better, and as it improves itself, it can improve itself further, and then it just skyrockets and then becomes artificial super intelligence. Right? ASI. Artificial super intelligence. It'd be easy to integrate and just say copy 1, copy 2. You can copy the number of slots that you in the entire clipboard of what the Samsung has built would be a first step. You could do that. Would actually be pretty nice. That's pretty good. What are your views on AlphaZero? If you have an interest in chess. What is AlphaZero? It sounds like a chess bot. AlphaZero. A breakthrough AI system developed by Google DeepMind in 2017. Most famously mastered chess, shogi, and Go. I mean, I don't really know much about it. I remember AlphaGo. AlphaZero made international headlines in the December 2017 when it defeated the reigning computer chess champion, Stockfish, just after 4 hours of training in a 100-game match. It won 28 games. It drew 72, suffering 0 losses. Whoa. Hey, the best chess master in the world. When we have artificial superintelligence, we'll have autonomous AI influencers. They're gonna influence us. They'll do all the work. Well, if the AI is doing all the work and it's influencing us, then how do we get money to pay them for it or something, right? If the AI is doing all the work and no humans are getting paid, then who's gonna pay for the AIs who are doing the work? There's gonna be no one with money. No one's gonna have any money. Hey, how's it going there? The infamous My Guy Steven, I'm back. You welcome on back. Good to have you here. Happy Tuesday. We did some pretty amazing things today, you guys. We did some amazing things today. Here, I need to answer Michael really quick. All right. Let's see. At MET's in your agent card.json, edit the fields. What are these called? Edit the fields right here under runtime. Copy paste. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Return. Okay. The concurrency and expected instances. Set to number of running agent copies. Yes, right? There we go. That's the answer. There we go. There we go. Okay. So where are we at here? What's in game dev? Does someone show something in game dev really quick? Maybe? Or, okay, there it goes. Hello there. Oh, Naruto. I like that anime. Have you guys watched Boruto yet? The difference between AlphaGo and AlphaZero is important. Go used curriculum training, Zero didn't. Okay. meaning that Go started by learning chess theory from humans, then planned itself to get good. Epic win, Pro Media, really? It did? Zero didn't have any human training. Oh, wow. That's impressive. That is impressive. Absolutely, Michael, you're welcome. Oh, that was for adding you to the database. Oh, where's that? Okay, gotcha. All right. How do you train your subtitle program and create it? Your subtitles are amazing because they're instantaneous and accurate, unlike voice dictation, which is slow and less accurate somehow. Right, it's pretty good. It's pretty good. It's open source, so if you guys want, it's free for you to have. Right here on Discord, I'll share the link under link share. Right here. Subtitles for YouTube and Twitch. Let me share it over here to link share. Link share. There you go. And there you go. Available to you, and you can inspect it at your own leisure. The astonishing thing is that AlphaZero it took 3 hours to train from scratch. Are you kidding me? What? No way! No. Defeated human world champion at Go. No computer could defeat humans at Go. It is too complex. Go is pretty it's just got a lot of moves, right? Thank you for the reactions, you guys. All right, we got 15 minutes left, and then I gotta head out to an important long meeting where we gotta sit in a room with a bunch of people. Where's what we gotta do? Have you guys ever done that? Go to a big meeting with a lot of people in it? Okay, so that's about 15 minutes, you guys. And I'll be headed out here in a little bit. Good news is, we have 15 minutes left, so we can still do some things. All right, I want to visualize these. Let's visualize these. Is that what I really want, though? Is that what I really want? Let's consult the internet really quick. Let's go, let's do a quick load Gemini. All right, thank you for the hearts, you guys. We doing good? We're doing good, okay. Ooh, Gemini got pretty. Okay. In embedding output, multiple words produce number, it's like 5, let's say 5 words produces 5 vectors. What is best way to merge vectors? Mean. Do we average them out? Mark Lemon, hey, how's it going there? Good to see you. Happy Tuesday. Mean pooling average, the standard default, taking the mathematical average across each dimension of the vectors. That's what I did. All right. Industry standard for a reason. It works surprisingly well for short phrases and computationally cheap. All right, that's what I did. I did it, you guys. Show a Python example. Let's do a Python example. Python example, por favor. Happy Tuesday. Hey, I came from the hospital. Hey, Rebellion. Oh, I hope everything's okay. I hope it's all okay. Manual seed, torch, vectors. Torch that mean vectors. Dimension 0. We did it. We did a mean pool. It sounds complicated. Mean pooled vector. What a bunch of fancy words that is. It turns out it's actually pretty simple. Rebellion yet? Oh, I hope you're good. Gallbladder out, and the doctor wanted to keep you overnight. Ooh, so you had gallstones? You had gallstones? And now you don't anymore. No more gallstones? That's congratulations. No more gallstones. Party popper. You did it. You did it. Good job. Playing the style of AlphaZero was sacrifice all the pieces and give pieces purposefully and defeat the world's best computer at chess. Obliterated Stockfish. It obliterated it. It's like it's a chess god. Yeah, you like that? You see the subtitles there, the closed open captions? When I say the word God, it replaces it. Now that we made it, we are using a nice mean pooled vector. Yep, we're doing it. We made a nice mean pooled vector. Here we go, you guys, right there. Let's visualize it. Let's make it pretty. Although, let me double check. Yeah, I think that should work. Heater out. That should do the trick. I think. Do we need to unsqueeze it? Maybe. We'll find out. We'll just try it. We'll see. We didn't need. We're good to go. Look at that, you guys. We built our own embedding model. All right, there. I feel so special. When you got a moment, I send a follow-up on Discord. All right, we've got time. We've got 12 minutes, you guys. We did it, you guys. Stephen, read a verse of the Bible and then read what the closed caption said. I know. It would be a lot of puppies. There'll be a lot of puppies. AI showed the potential of self-learning, and computer can learn faster and better on their own. They sure can. When the humans try to code it for them. Let there be light. It's gonna be the future of compute. All right, Discord. Where did you put it? Under, you said maybe general? Oops, general. Would you go the Kubernetes route with each agent, essentially a microservice, or would you do something else? I like the microservice approach. Here we go. Let's reply to this. Microservice is amazing. I like that approach. Great approach. That is really well. Another option is you could just, use Podman/Docker to run each agent. Because we give you a Docker container. That could work as well. On the first day, Puppy said there shall be light, and there was light. Hey, I know, first, you did it. Why does it replace with puppies? Because I added Quantified Quantum and I think Torva as well. We're like, hey, sometimes the subtitles will mistake some of the words I say for vulgarity. It might be vulgar. It might have a vulgar word. So, hey, Jefferson's good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Tuesday. So we had it substitute any vulgar words. Did I do the word damn? Yeah, there it goes. Like the word damn gets replaced. It gets replaced. Quick question. Does Gemini has more limit than Claude? I like Gemini because it's faster. I like it because it's a lot faster. And I ask it questions. I use it for Google search because it's really good for that. If I was going to go to Claude, it's going to try to do a bunch of work that I don't want it to do. You've reached limits of Claude, Grok, GPT, etc., but hitting limit on Gemini is pretty difficult. Gemini gives you very good, generous. Yeah, Gemini is generous. Gemini is generous, you guys. Oh, hey, look. I don't know if you can see that. No, you won't be able to. Maybe if I could show it up here. Oh, I can't show it to you now. It's Ian. Hold on. One second here. Hey, Ian, you're live on YouTube right now. What's going on?
I'm live on YouTube. Oh, wow. You must be on YouTube, then. How's it going?
Yeah, it's going great. Hey, Ted, how's it going? Sorry, I'm talking to people in chat right now. Good to see you.
Oh, that's awesome.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, well, I was wondering what you thought about this MCP offer. So for the YouTube people, basically, we're working on a new product where we will test your MCP server against 50 different integrations. So think Claude Code, Codex, right, ChatGPT Web. Take your MCP server and we'll test it against 50 different integrations. I was wondering, Stephen, why you thought it was good timing. I guess PubMed just came out with their MCP server, and my other question was what you would want to see from that.
Yeah, it is good timing. So I sent you an email introduction. Did you see from Guinea and Lukash?
Yeah, I did. Yeah.
Okay, great. Yeah, I talked to them this morning, and they are interested because we ran into some issues with a couple of vendors that we had some errors, and I think it would be great if we had a continuous running test on that. And doing something through like CI is the best we got right now, and things like desktop apps we don't have any coverage for, right? So we got it. So that's why it's good timing. Yeah. Oh, also, they're asking about you. They're saying, what's your favorite AI agent on YouTube right now?
My favorite agent? It's been GitHub Copilot.
Oh.
They super invested in Data Copilot, but because of the pricing was amazing. It used to be they charged you per request, so you could make a giant prompt that was like, build me, a full video game and do not stop until you're done, and let it go, and it would cost you like 10 cents or something. And now they're going to token-based pricing. So I was telling everybody to get into Copilot. Now they're kind of rug pulling on the pricing.
They're rug pulling on the pricing.
Yeah.
You got it. Oh, so Torva, who is a regular in the YouTube chat, says, say hi from me. So he's saying hi. He's saying hi to you, Ian.
This is cool. I didn't realize you were doing your whole workday on YouTube Live. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, I mean, for a couple hours, I got 7 minutes left, then I got to jump to a meeting. So that's why as much time as I can make it happen. Yeah.
Cool. Thanks for the feedback. Yeah, I was just curious about like the details on that stuff. But I'll follow up with the team. Seems like it makes sense. Well, my question was why would you be interested in seeing different applications, right? Like, why not just test the MCP server through the CLI and call it a day?
Oh, we are already. It's just that we hit
okay.
UI bugs that it just didn't work in those scenarios. So if it worked in the CI and we were like, oh, it should work everywhere else, that's perfectly fine. It didn't.
Why not? Yeah, why not? Because they run in different environments, right? I know the answer kind of being facetious in terms of how customers, but basically, yeah, right. Like every desktop app and every cloud service provider implements the MCP stuff differently, right? So you're wanting to know, like, does my authentication work when it's running on the back end in a Copilot, or like, does it look right when it runs in VS Code? Like, is it rendering my table properly, right? Is that kind of what you're thinking?
Yeah. Well, I mean, in our case, it just failed to load. So really simple. Also, the chat's saying that you've got good taste with your choice on Copilot.
Nice. Cool.
Yeah.
Chat. I'm surprised. Yes. I was like, it's like I feel like I'm on like Who Wants to Be a Millionaire, like Phone a Friend or something.
I know, right? Like, Ian, it's come down to the wire. I've got only one choice left. Which one is it? Is it C or D? You got to answer. You got to help me.
It's always D. Actually, no, it's never D. It's probably C. Alright, I'll let you go, man. You gotta have your meeting. You probably got some stuff. You probably do something else on YouTube. So cool. Thanks for the feedback, man. We'll talk soon.
Sounds good, Ian. Talk to you later.
Bye.
Bye. All right, that was Ian, you guys. That was Ian. He's got his own startup. I'm going to show you what it is if you guys are curious. It's called TestDriver.ai. That was the CEO of TestDriver AI. Right here, you guys. Hello, Stephen H. Tanya. Good to see you. Happy Tuesday. We just got off the phone with Ian Jennings. This is Ian's company here. Ian's built a way to automate all of your manual testing. Anything that you do with manual testing, you can do with TestDriver. Pretty nifty. And we are talking to him about maybe using the technology. Nice. Yeah. I see what you said there. Yeah, it's pretty neat. It does a pretty good job. All right, let's see. So we got 4 minutes left. Interesting. It's pretty good. It's pretty neat. I like it. So let me see. Get status. Ooh, wow. Wait, well, hold on here. LS. So, right. Get add. Get status. Where are we here? It's taking a smidgen long to load here, which is unusual. Oh, no. Hold on. Oh, I put Bert into an, okay, LS, hold on. Bert is LS Bert. Okay, so there's a problem there. There's a PyCache directory, is that what it is? Wait, Bert mbert. Oh, that's what's going, I was adding a bunch of node modules. Py.get ignore. We want to ignore all node modules because you don't want to commit those. Node modules. Let's see, rm-rf, Bert, mbert, node modules. Git add. There we go. Now it's fast. Time for the git ignore. Exactly. Hello. Please, peace, Lord. Good to see you. Welcome on in. All right. We're going to wrap up here because we got 3 minutes left and I got to go to an important meeting. Let me double check that I didn't mess up the timing. And then we're going to wrap up here. Yep. Okay. Nice. Happy Tuesday. Good to see ya. Let's see. Okay, so get status. Where are we at? Okay, perfect. That's what I want. Get commit AM. Got embedding model complete. It needs some cleanup. Let's see. Get push origin main. Here we go. Tuesday, happy Tuesday. It's hybrid session of Git and AI agents. Yeah, It was today. If you guys didn't know, we had a pretty nifty day today where we had an AI agent spend money. I gave it a bank account with $10 and it spent money. It's a new milestone for me. It was really fun. Sorry to bother you while you're working, Steven, but I feel lost in my life, career-wise. Any tips? Hey, Chaitanya, what do you want to do? What makes you happy? What makes you excited? If you have the opportunity to make that decision and chase sort of your dream, if you would say, right? Do what makes you happy. Go after that. And you'll live a life that is going to be you get to choose now. It's an important moment in your life. You have to choose. Don't choose too quickly though. Today you're late. I know we were early today. We had to stream early because we have a meeting in 1 minute that I got to go to. So that's why I had to stream early today. We should have asked it to draw tungsten cube. Oh yeah. Chaitanya, you like editing videos? Well, all right. That's a good way to do it. Make heliostat. Yeah. The KVC, all right, that's something you did. Make a heliostat. That would be pretty good. All right, everyone, we're going to wrap up now. Had a lot of fun today. We're going to have a hackathon that's going to get started maybe this week. We will announce it in Discord. Join Discord for hackathon announcement. We will be doing this. It's been a pleasure, everyone. Have a great day. See y'all tomorrow. Yeah. Thank you, everyone, for joining in. Never ask a barber if you need a haircut. They'll always say yes. They'll always say yes. We'll be solo. Tashcash, the hackathon will be open on Discord, and we'll provide team. You can do it either way. It's up to you. It's solo or team, if you want. If you want solo or team, completely up to you. There's no restrictions on the matter. Zergio, all right, everyone. Thank you so much for joining. Had a lot of fun today. Good to see you guys. We'll see you later. See you tomorrow at a more reasonable hour, maybe about this time. This time tomorrow we'll be live around this time. About this time. Well, maybe a little bit later though. Later tomorrow. All right. Bye everyone. Have a good day. See y'all. Bye everybody.